Hey there, Zach here, and welcome back to the series Let's Compose a Dark Fantasy Album, where I'm working with you in real time to share my process of writing this brand new album. We're in episode 3, and this week something kind of unexpected happened. I was originally just planning on taking the tiny beats that I wrote from episode 1 and slotting them into a piece I was already writing. That's what this sounded like. Now, in tweaking this track, I also wanted to throw in another sound that I discovered by accident, which was when I was cleaning out my studio, I found this old guitar E-bow. It makes kind of a buzzing sound when you put it up to a string, and I wanted to see what it sounded like on a dulcimer, this old mountain dulcimer I have in the back here. It sounded really cool and weird. So I decided to slot it into this track, but I was so inspired by the sound that I decided to start noodling just for fun on some other ideas. And right there, that face, is when I realized that I had a brand new track on my hands. For the rest of this video, you'll see that process, see what it looked like. I don't talk much because I didn't expect to be writing something, but this is what happens when we let inspiration take us and see where it leads us. Hope you enjoy. There's a whole separate track now. Kind of cool if we got a little tiny pulse. Oh. It's cool. That's better when it's quiet. Yeah, this is the most like Victorian sounding one. Should we add in some... Yeah, I don't know. The cello's cool, but I feel like it's too... I don't know. Something's off. Could be more interesting to have like a harp. It's just more subtle. Oh my god, this is so cool. A little Elden Ring inspiration here. Okay, that's it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, you can leave a like, subscribe so that you get updated when I'm doing a new episode. And in the meantime, if you're looking for more from me, be sure to check out my free weekly newsletter where I share some inspiration with you every week. That's it. Thanks for watching.